Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can mutate your pets and grow a garden. So guys, the grow a garden has just dropped an update called pet mutation. So we'll be able to mutate our pet by submitting our pet here. But as you can see that our pet at least needs to be in the level 50. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys how we can use this pad mutation machine. So you just need to go to this location near the gear shop, and then you can choose the pad that you want to mutate. Make sure that your pad is at least in the level 50. Okay, these are my active pads, but I'm not gonna take my active pad, so I'm just going to choose this sand snake, and then you can click on submit pad here, and you can read the information here. Your pad will reset back to age 1 after the mutation, and then I'm going to click on confirm. And yeah, we need at least pad with level 50 to use this machine. So I can't mutate my snake, and unfortunately I don't have any pad with the 50 level, so I need to grow my pad first. Okay guys, and that's all the way to mutate our pads and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.